Hi everyone, welcome to Flash Animation tutorial. Today we will learn how to make a tween between these keyframes. I would like to play this project. Let's see together. I'm going to press enter. If you wouldn't use tween, that project should be really challenging using the method of the frame by frame actions, just like we did in the first video. But here we just used keyframes and then applied their classic tweens using this project. When I press Ctrl Enter, you can see this here, and it will make a loop, an infinite loop. It's going to repeat the action. So this is our project. Okay, let's start it. File, New, ActionScript 3. First, I'm going to draw my object, circle. You can hold down Alt and Shift together and draw a good circle. And after that, I want him to move from left to right. I want this action to be done in 15 frames. Okay, I'm going to click the right on the frame 15 and insert a keyframe. Okay, here we go. So by doing this, we copy paste this object between first and 15 frames. But when it's reached the keyframe, I want him to make its settlement on the most right of the stage. Okay, and as you see, from 1 to 14 it stays there, but when it goes to 15 it's over there. So the keyframes can be used as a reference. Okay, this is as a start point and end point, and you can use these keyframes and to make them tween each other. And here we go. I'm going to right click a frame between these keyframes. Okay, I'm going to right click there and then apply their classic tween, and look what happened. And it's going to animate this action between first and 15 framed. You see, it's going to fill these frames with the placement of this circle. You can play this with Ctrl Enter. As you see, it's traveling from left to right all the time. Now I would like to make him move down a little bit more, and for that thing I'm going to place another keyframe. As you see, it's over there, but in the keyframe 30 I'm going to change its placement. I'll put this to the most down, and I will do the same thing, right click and classic tween. Let's play this. And now I want from him to complete the triangle. I'll go to frame 45 and do another insert keyframe, and after that I'm going to the first point will be the beginning where it starts, and the last point will be the end where it finished the stage. I'm going to click right there and then make another classic tween. So if you want to play this once, you can press enter and it will do it, or Control Enter. It will do this ceaselessly. Okay guys, we have learned this tweening, and I hope it was useful to understand using this project. And in the following tutorials we will have very joyful exercises together. Stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Bye.